Reach tip. Add relevant tags in your YouTube Shorts to increase discoverability. Did you know? YouTube Shorts launched in the United States in March 2021. Navigation tip. Swipe vertically to easily navigate through YouTube Shorts, just like Instagram Stories or TikTok. Camera hack. Use a tripod for steady footage in your YouTube Shorts. It makes a huge difference. Localization tip. Use language and content relevant to your audience's location to boost engagement on your YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching this video. I have prepared 15-module complimentary course on the topic exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses. Grab your copy by clicking the link given in description. And don't forget to like and share this video and hit the bell icon so you can get all updated videos in future.